Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about slime collection. I'm going to show you some of my slimes. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. So for the first slime is this. This is like a very light pink slime. So let me get it out. It's too cool. It's poking and everything. See, let me see if it's stretch. Oh, that's really stretch. Can you see that? Wait, let me just put it like this. The camera. Okay, so let's get to the next slime. Okay. Next slime coming up. Okay, so I'm going for the next slime. Slime number 2. So this is also a pink slime. This is a pink also slime, but it's like more darker than the other one. I really like it, and you know, there is a lotion that is really good that will really bring life to your slimes. It's from Dove, and really it's good for the skin, and it's also good for your slime. So go buy it. If you have a slime that is like ruined or something like that, just go bring some of that one, and that would be really perfect for your slime. It's Dove, and it's the blue one. Slime number 3 coming up. So this is slime number 3, but these are the same color and the same texture. These are 2 slimes, but I just sprayed them in these containers because I don't have a container that can let them, both of them. So these are like the same. These are the same kind. Okay. It's perfect. I really love it. And you know, it smells like chocolate because I put inside my lipstick that smells chocolate. I really like this slime. I really like all of my slimes. So these are all that I buy, but they were like terrible. They weren't terrible, but they weren't so good. But because of that lotion, see how all of my slimes became.